Hey guys, this is Joe Tech from RF Radio Network, and today we're going to teach you how to flash a Radtel P8 PoC radio. So I am honored that they have asked me to do this. So that said, if you turn on your Radtel radio and you do not see the logo, so that Radtel logo, if you do not see that Radtel when you shut down or reboot or boot up the radio, you do not have the latest firmware. If you boot up and if you hear that sound without the logo, then you have the older version of the firmware on the radio. Now, the reason why I'm saying this with this particular, why we're going to upgrade it, is because there is a feature of this radio that allows you to go into dark mode. I don't know if you could see this, but your radio may be all white and black lettering. This is black background, white lettering. You either have day or dark mode. That feature is not available on your firmware. And by upgrading it, which we're going to show you today, we'll show you how to do that. Now, once you have this downloaded, I renamed the file. I named it Radtel P8 Firmware. Okay, inside of this is the important portion of this. Okay, we need to unload all of this into a folder. Okay, so we're just going to create a folder on the desktop. New folder. Just going to Radtel P8. We're going to copy all of these and drag it into this. We're done. Now, before we begin, I want you to shut off your radio. Now, it is important that you already communicated. It's important that there's a special programming cable that you must get from Radtel. I will have a link in the description below to purchase this. So if you are watching this and you're not prepared to do it, it's a special type, okay? As you can see, there's no chip in it, and that's important, all right? So I'm assuming that this is the only cable that's going to work. So we make sure the radio is turned off. We plug in the cable. All right, you plug in the cable, and now it's ready to go. The Radtel radio must be off because the cable will turn on the radio. All right, we're going to make sure that you're aware of this, okay? So we leave the radio off. Now, we go into the folder that we set up, and we need to export this as well. So we need the tools. We're going to open up another folder. I mean, this is a pain in the neck. I agree with you people. So we want to go to desktop, and we want to go to that Radtel folder that we created, Radtel P8. Here we are. I opened up this zip file, and this is it here. Okay? So we're going to take this, and we're going to drag this into here. All right? Now we have this folder. This is the documentation that came with. Don't bother reading that document, okay? It's a pain in the neck. Do not read it. Radio is off. Do not plug it in into that. Do not plug it in to this cable, okay? Not yet. What we need to do is we open up this folder, and we want to run the aboot.exe. We know you get this message. This is perfectly fine. Don't worry about it. We're going to hit more info and run anyway. It's perfectly safe. Don't worry. All right. So let's minimize this so we could zoom in on this. We want to check off AT flashback. Okay. And just so you know, the only folder we unzipped was that aboot tools folder. The other one that is in there, let me just go back. The P8 new that zip one, we leave it as is. You do not open that up because that's the file we're going to grab. All right, so now we search for that file, like so. If your screen does not look like this, with these, with the start, the size, the V start, the V side, any of that, if that does not appear, you're doing it wrong. Okay, now you hit start. Now you plug in the radio. It should power on the radio and start upgrading the firmware. I'm going to show you both. Succeeded. That's it. Unplug the device. Hit power. And we have been upgraded. That is it. That's how simple this is. It seems like it's complicated, but we did it. It's done. And that is it. That is all that is needed to upgrade the firmware on your Radtel P8. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Take care, and we'll see you next time.
RF Radio Network, no wires, no